welcome to the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality series. तो आइए अब वक्त है एक और टास्क का। अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताइए, अब हर एक मैरिड विमेन को सबसे ज्यादा टेंशन किस चीज की होती है? सोचिए। वेल यस, यू गेस्ड इट राइट, और वो है अपने घर को सुंदर बनाने की। फिर चाहे वो बेडशीट्स हो या पिलो कवर्स, बाथ टॉवल्स हो या हैंड टॉवल्स, बस कुछ ना उनके दिमाग में घूमता ही रहता है। तो बस हमारा आज का टास्क भी इसी को लेकर है। अब क्योंकि बॉम्बे डाइंग हमारा एसोसिएट स्पॉन्सर है इस टीवी रियलिटी सीरीज का, तो इस टास्क को जज भी करेगा वेल यस, इंडियाज ओल्डेस्ट एंड लार्जेस्ट टेक्सटाइल जायंट बॉम्बे डाइंग। अब हमारी इन कंटेस्टेंट्स को बनाना है एक छोटा सा एड बॉम्बे डाइंग के लिए, एंड हु बेटर देन ऑल दीज लवली मैरिड लेडीज, राइट? तो आइए चलते हैं अपने टास्क की तरफ।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Maureen Wadia, and you're watching the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India reality series. Now, today we are showing housewives who love their homes. But in their homes, they have a special place for their bed linen, their towels, and everything that gives them home comfort. Let's take a look at how these girls go through this task.
Hey girls, we've got a message.
What?
Please prepare for Bombay Dyeing
Elimination task for tomorrow.
Let me see. It's going to be elimination
Instead of getting tensed here.
The Freshfield collection by Bombay Dyeing. The colors are so vibrant and alive that they make me feel close to nature. Freshfield by Bombay Dyeing.
These towels from Bombay Dyeing are so gentle on my skin and absorbs all the water from my skin and leaves my skin soft and supple.
The beautiful color and the luxurious design of Bombay Dyeing bed linen give life to the room, and the smooth and satin finish gives me sound sleep and I wake up really rejuvenated. Bye.
सुबह सुबह हस्बैंड से कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिलना मेक्स माई डे। ही सेज इतने लंबे शूटिंग करते हो, सारा दिन बिजी रहते हो, फिर भी हर सुबह इतनी फ्रेश कैसे दिखती हो? वेल, ऑल थैंक्स टू बॉम्बे डाइंग वेलनेस लिनन। इट इज सो सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ ऑन दिस स्किन, बिल्कुल मक्खन मलाई की तरह। क्या अमेजिंग नींद आती है, सुबह उठ के फ्रेश एंड रेजुविनेटेड। सो अगर रोज कॉम्प्लीमेंट चाहिए हस्बैंड से, तो आज ही लीजिए बॉम्बे डाइंग वेलनेस लिनन।
Lovely colors and interesting design in the Freshfield collection by Bombay Dyeing.
These cushions from Bombay Dyeing are just so perfect to brighten up the living space, and they add so much style to the decor.
The pretty colors and quirky inspiration coat make a happy start to the day.
You could gift it to friends too.
I like the feel of tulip bathrobes on my skin. Soft and absorbent, I could spend the whole day lounging in them.
I love the Bombay Dyeing towels. These towels from Bombay Dyeing are so soft on my skin. They absorb all the water from my body and keeps my skin soft and supple.
This Ultrex towel from Bombay Dyeing, they soak up all the water and yet they are so soft. I'm totally in love with it.
These towels from Bombay Dyeing are so gentle on my skin. They quickly absorb all the water from my body, making it feel so soft and supple.
The Ebony and Ivory collection by Bombay Dyeing adds timeless magnificence to your home. It also comes with matching cushions to add a dressier look to your house.
Beauty should be timeless, just like Bombay Dyeing's Ebony and Ivory collection. It brings out contrast in life. Make more beautiful memories in your bedroom with Ebony and Ivory collection.
Beauty should be timeless, just like Bombay Dyeing's Ebony and Ivory collection, which beautifully brings out the contrasts in life. The Ebony and Ivory collection from Bombay Dyeing adds timeless magnificence to your home and also comes in coordinated cushions for a dressier look to the bedroom.
These Bombay Dyeing towels are so gentle on my skin. It quickly absorbs water from my body, leaving it soft and supple.
I had to advertise about Ebony and Ivory, जो कि Bombay Dyeing की एक बहुत ही sensuous collection है. मैंने उसका वीडियो देखा, एडवर्टाइजमेंट वीडियो देखा YouTube पे, which was beautiful, very aesthetically done. So I wanted to do something like that, something which is more sensuous but aesthetically done.
As homemakers, we generally associate a lot with Bombay Dyeing because I know I use Bombay Dyeing sheets at home, and we all use Bombay Dyeing products. So it was something that we could really connect to.
सबसे एक्साइटिंग टीवी एड्स मुझे हमेशा बेडशीट्स और टाल्स के लगते थे. जब खुद करना पड़ा तो हालत खराब.
फर्निशिंग्स के लिए सिर्फ 3 चीज ही काफी है: बॉम्बे डाइंग एंड बॉम्बे डाइंग.
It was a little funny watching some of the ladies blushing as they were being shot in their nightwears.
Good evening, ladies. For the Bombay Dyeing filming that you all did, I have somebody with me who has shot more Bombay Dyeing photograph films than anybody else, Mr. Ashok Seli. There is nobody in India who could beat Ashok Selian in his photography. As I always said, his lighting could make you, the ugliest girl, look like the most beautiful girl. And what Ashok can do behind a camera, I have not found another photographer ever do. Well, Gargi, what we saw of you, you with the 2 pillows and a red dressing gown sitting on that bed.
Yes, ma'am.
It was okay, but I don't know why you girls didn't listen and wear nighties.
I was wearing a black nightie underneath, but I was not very comfortable without my dressing gown. So I insisted that can I
But it should have got under the sheet then. Yeah.
I'll take care.
Because it's better to be, as we say with sheets, it's be natural.
Yeah.
Which is untidy and under the sheets and you know. Anyway.
You have to give some points for managing to look sophisticated.
Thank you, sir.
In the shots.
Thanks, sir.
But there was a clashing of the red dressing gown with the rest of it.
I'll take care, ma'am, next time.
Next girl.
Good evening, judges.
Priya, you're just overacting. It doesn't look like you're a housewife using these towels and sheets every day, which is actually what it was all about.
I mean, mispronounced a couple of words in...
Supple, what was it? Supple or what?
Supple.
Supple, but in the footage you've said supple, it sounds like
or something.
supple or something.
Yeah, something. I think if you're not comfortable speaking English, then it's always better to speak in a language you're comfortable in.
Definitely.
We all make mistakes, we should improve.
Yeah. And I'll try my best. Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Next girl.
Good evening, judges.
Shilpi, again, I would say the same thing. Your actions were, again...
Too loud.
Yeah.
Too loud. For you, it's better if you are more natural instead of, very exaggerated kind of expressions.
Sure, sir. I'll note down.
Next, please.
Good evening, judges. Nishtha Gupta.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
You did quite a good ad, no?
Yeah, she's... Thanks, so yeah.
Thank you. Because you looked comfortable in the bed and everything was coordinated. So I
Exactly, yeah.
think we thought that was a
good
good
expressions
one.
and
Yeah.
she was very confident.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And you looked like a housewife and you talked about your husband.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was nice. It came around. It
Smart
came
one.
across very nicely.
Thank you very much,
Your
ma'am.
husband will appreciate
Yeah.
you for that.
Thank you.
Next.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. You had to wear something that was neutral. But you wore a jungle print, a cheetah print.
A leopard, yeah.
A leopard. And then you've got these red and floral cushions and all around you. I mean, it's absolutely, it looks bizarre.
Too bizarre. Busily bizarre. I have to point out that, you know, I mean, she looks a lot better with this kind of hair.
Yes, you do.
You know, I mean, I don't recognize her actually from the shots.
No, you're quite right.
Isn't
You're
it?
right.
I mean, she looks much
It
better like
flatters
this.
you. Your hair up flatters you much more than your hair down.
Yeah, very bad styling of hair.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. I think you both did a good job. Keshika on the sofa and you walking towards the sofa
Yeah.
from the back. It was good.
It was good, it was good. I thought it was really well done. Only Keshika, I mean, you know, you look really good when you smile. So you could have smiled right through.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next, please.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know,
Now you look pretty sexy in your bathrobe, and
yeah,
you know, but it was nice.
yeah. I like.
Yeah. At least you look natural, which you know went with it because that's what we need, no?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Next.
Good evening.
It just looked very awkward, you know, the way you held the towel to your face, I mean, folded. It could have been a loose towel. I mean, you normally don't fold a towel and hold it like,
It looked like a hot water bottle,
yeah.
like a toothache,
Yeah.
you know?
I'm surprised that none of you, you know, did something, you know, like wetting your hair. I mean, none of you got really creative. I mean, that's a bit disappointing. I mean,
That's
in
the
the
worst
shower.
part of it. You yourself have to learn that if I'm doing a scene that is a fashion shot, then the makeup is different. If I'm doing a home shot, which this was, you have to have a softer look, you know? So I would say your ad was not bad, but
Not
spoiled by the look like a hot water bottle.
Yeah.
Sorry about it.
Okay, next girl, please.
I think your speech was like too, I mean, rehearsed, kind of, you know, I mean, memorized, like a kindergarten child, you know,
Like a poem.
saying the lines, yeah, saying the lines. I mean, that's something that you should have noticed. We noticed it immediately. I mean, something that you can look to improve. You know, when you deliver lines, I think it should sound like an adult, which you are. Anyway, but you look good. You have a lot of scope to improve, and I think you should give yourself a good shake-up.
Sure, sir, I'll
Get better the next time.
Reduce the makeup and the hair.
Yes.
Thank you. Next. Okay, you were extremely awkward. Now this is coming through everywhere, huh? So we can't fix this overnight, but this awkwardness in action and in what you say and everything is hesitating or rattling off something. It's got to change.
It looked like you really just wanted to finish the lines really fast.
Next. I have never seen anybody in a black towel with diamond earrings sitting on the edge of a bathtub,
Yeah.
except you.
Good evening, judges.
Good evening. You need to get rid of this hair. We got it that you got beautiful long hair.
I'll tie it up the next time.
Yeah. And you got a pretty face. If this hair is all the time, you know, around you, you know. Again,
You really have a pretty face.
the ad was good, but she rattled it off, KG style.
Oh, yeah, but no, she wasn't too bad actually.
She was not as KG as the other one.
Yeah.
I'll get rid of it the next time.
Don't get rid of it.
Don't get rid of the hair.
I'll put it
get
back.
rid of the hairstyle.
Yeah. Next girl. You spoke well, message came across, and you looked very comfortable in the bed. And you were in command of the bed, which is the most
Yeah,
important
absolutely.
thing. You know? Because, you know, in modeling, if you want to look good in any way, the first rule is be comfortable. Because if you're uncomfortable, it shows. And then it looks very contrived. But yours was excellent.
Yeah, it was very good.
थैंक यू। आप देख रहे हैं HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality show driven by Tata Bolt. बस वक्त है अब छोटे से ब्रेक का, हम जल्दी वापस आएंगे।
Here is your second task. आप अपना अपना पेयर बना लो। मुझे दोषी के साथ टीम नहीं बनानी है।
ना मुझे इसके साथ।
उस अल्कोहलिक की वजह से तुम मेरे साथ टीम
उनसे नहीं, तुमसे प्रॉब्लम है।
क्या संयुक्ता का अब भी बना रहेगा यकीन कि रनावत ही है बेस्ट मेंटोर फॉर द ड्रीम टीम? साडा हक, मंडे टू सैटरडे 6:30 PM। And he's gonna arrive after the airport in Multi-Drive.
Multi-Drive. Their favorite ice cream is hard to find.
Jaldi before it melts.
Multi-Drive. Multi-Drive.
All new Bolt with Multi-Drive. Get set Bolt.
Dad, how's this?
Beta, this is too much.
Dad, please. आपने अपने घर की हालत देखी है?
Yeah, but.
But what? Dad, डिवोर्स लिया है ना? संन्यास तो नहीं लिया ना?
अच्छा। वक्त के साथ घर चाहे जितने बदल जाएं, उन्हें प्यार से सजाएंगे हम। बॉम्बे डाइंग, चेंज इज ब्यूटीफुल।
फॉर्चून राइस ब्रांड हेल्थ,
क्योंकि ये हेल्दी है।
और देखो कितना डार्क है
ये डार्क है क्योंकि इसमें ओराइजनॉल है।
ओराइजनॉल तो हमारे घर के तेल में भी है।
ओराइजनॉल सिर्फ राइस ब्रान ऑयल में है। ये गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ाए, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल घटाए और बॉडी में कोलेस्ट्रॉल कम पैदा होने दे।
मगर सुनो,
नई चीज भी अच्छी हो सकती है ना?
फॉर्चून राइस ब्रांड हेल्थ, 100% राइस ब्रांड ऑयल, 100% हेल्थ।
And welcome back to the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality series driven by Tata Bolt.
You know, it's pretty hair, you've got a pretty face. But what is happening is your hair is just taking over your face. So you've got pretty eyes or complexion or lips or anything. None of that can come through because the whole time it's like a big veil over you.
You shouldn't get possessive about anything in life, actually. The last thing is your hair. You should try and change your hairstyle.
You need to let go and just be natural. Next.
She was good. I thought she was sensuously good.
You were very good. I thought that was a good ad that she did with the. You wore the towel.
I wet my hair too for that.
Yes. At least the hair looked disheveled, which was nice. Okay. Good.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Girl 1, girl 2, girl 3. Out of the 3 of you, 3 and 1 may leave and 2 should remain. Okay, next 3 girls. Number 4, number 6, number 7, and number 8. Number 4, number 7 and 8 you're safe. Number 6 you are not safe. So you all may go, the others. Chaitra also you may go. 10, 11 and 12 you are safe. 13 you're in the danger zone. So can you join this line? 14, you can breathe and live another day. Number 15, 16 and 17. Since 15 and 16 are standing together and you both did so well, cheers.
आप देख रहे हैं HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality show driven by Tata Bolt. बस वक्त है अब छोटे से ब्रेक का, हम जल्दी वापस आएंगे।
साक्षी,
प्रशांत,
जब जागे दोनों तो खुली उनकी आंख।
तुम, मी, पूरी दुनिया की पॉपुलेशन में से मुझे तुम ही मिलने थे 3 साल के बाद।
थे अलग अलग तो कैसे आ गए साथ?
मेरी शादी होने वाली है जैनी से।
क्या लव में फिर आएगा नया ट्विस्ट? ट्विस्ट वाला लव, मंडे टू सैटरडे 5:30 PM।
क्या डैमेज बाल काटने पे मजबूर कर देता है? मेरे लिए नहीं।
लॉरियल पेरिस का नया टोटल रिपेयर 5 अब लैक्टाइल 10 के साथ ये डैमेज के 5 साइंस रिपेयर करने में मदद करे।
5 प्रॉब्लम्स 1 सोल्यूशन। मैं डैमेज बाल काटती नहीं, रिपेयर करती हूँ। और आप?
टोटल रिपेयर 5 सैशे अब सिर्फ 3 रुपए में।
क्योंकि हमें नाज है खुद पर।
Catch the match live.
We're running late, hit multi-drive.
Multi-drive. Multi-drive.
We gotta go pick up the bride. Chalo, chalo, press multi-drive.
Multi-drive.
All new Bolt with multi-drive. Get set, Bolt.
Dad, how's this?
Anita.
Is this nice?
Beta, this is too much.
Dad, please. आपने अपने घर की हालत देखी है? It's very bad.
Yeah, but.
But what? वैसे भी ये सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं है।
मेरे लिए नहीं मतलब?
डैड, डिवोर्स लिया है ना? संन्यास तो नहीं लिया ना?
अच्छा। वक्त के साथ घर चाहे जितने बदल जाएं, उन्हें प्यार से सजाएंगे हम। बॉम्बे डाइंग, चेंज इज ब्यूटीफुल।
Yes, I want it.
Can't even explain how I'm feeling right now. It was a lot of hard work, months of training, really worked hard for this, and I've learned a lot from Mrs. Wadia. I'm sure this is going to help me a lot my career-wise, and this is just the start.
पहले दिन से अब तक जो मैंने सोचा था वो आज मैंने पा लिया। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा।
Yes, I've won it.
इंटरनेट से हट for a few minutes, moment share कर लाइफ को ले झपट।
ऐसे ही कुछ रियल शेयरिंग के लिए बने हैं मैकडॉनल्ड्स के नए शेयरिंग पैक्स फॉर 2, 3 एंड मोर।
Hey baby,
you're so powerful.
FBB Spring Summer Collection.
आज की दुनिया में पोल्यूशन गेट्स इन एंड फेयरनेस गेट्स आउट। मुझे चाहिए नया गार्नियर मेन डबल एक्शन फेस वॉश, गार्नियर्स फर्स्ट डबल टेक्सचर फेस वॉश। पोल्यूशन हटाए और दे 1 टोन फेयर स्किन। पोल्यूशन गॉन, फेयरनेस ऑन। नया गार्नियर मेन डबल एक्शन फेस वॉश।
Everything is design. There are so many aspects of design, whether it's products, interior, communication and graphics, digital, media. There is God and then there is design. I have a high regard for Pearl Academy, for their work, for the kind of talent that they have, and that's the reason that I agreed to associate and mentor. Think big and think beyond. That's the way we are looking at
Maybelline न्यूयॉर्क का कोलोसल काजल रहे 12 घंटे स्मच प्रूफ, वाटरप्रूफ, दे 100% सेटिस्फैक्शन। कोलोसल काजल,
My secret, my Maybelline. Hey baby, you're so powerful.
BB Spring Summer Collection.
Yes, I want it.
Can't even explain how I'm feeling right now. It was a lot of hard work, months of training, really worked hard for this, and I've learned a lot from Mrs. Wadia. I'm sure this is going to help me a lot my career wise, and this is just the start.
पहले दिन से अब तक जो मैंने सोचा था वो आज मैंने पा लिया. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yes, I've won it.
जब नाइट की राइड में बच जाएंगे रुपए हजार, स्वामी विल गो फार, वेरी फार, बहुत फार, समझे क्या बरखुरदार. जब 6 and 4 विल टेक नैया पार विद फ्लार, डैनी विल गो फार, बहुत फार. Watch Pepsi IPL on Hotstar.
Catch every moment of the Pepsi IPL playoffs only on Hotstar. Go solo. Download the app now.
उम्मीद है कि सब्सक्राइबर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भर के आप अपने फेवरेट शोज इत्मीनान से देख रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर आपने अब तक ऐसा नहीं किया है तो फौरन कीजिए.
और हाँ, एक जरूरी बात, जो पैकेज आपने सिलेक्ट किया है सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसी के पैसे दीजिए.
और याद से अपने केबल ऑपरेटर से हर महीने उस पेमेंट की पक्की रसीद लीजिए.
यानी अब बिल में नो झंझट और एंटरटेनमेंट में नो रुकावट.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality series driven by Tata Bolt.
17th says she's going to change her hairstyle, and 18 did wet her hair. Shamal, that was a brave thing to do. You two are safe. 3 girls standing in front of us, all 3 in danger. You're just not changing yourself, and you have to change, okay? Where you are concerned, Priya, again, you've got pretty face, but you need to get your act toned down, deeper. When you're given orders, you have to follow those orders. Where 13, you are concerned. Same thing happening with you, because it's overacting. I feel that the persons who can leave and not be in danger would be number 2 and number 6. So breathe a sigh of relief. The hair doesn't do a thing for you, huh? This hair, wherever you go, you please change it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Maybe she deserves a chance. Yeah.
Okay, if that's what you feel. Well, you can thank Ashok for saving you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You look very beautiful. I mean, you know, you have a very beautiful face, but you need to drop some
few kilos, yeah, I admit that.
Well, you're the only girl who's ever been saved, and you're lucky. Well, good luck.
Good luck to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks to sir and ma'am that they gave me a second chance and they actually saved me. So I'm grateful for that. अब हमारी मुलाकात होगी आपसे हमारी अगले एपिसोड में. गुड बाय फॉर नाउ. नमस्कार.
Hi, I'm Johnny Braham. Reborn in 1999 at the Glad Rags Mega Model and Manhunt Contest, a platform where dreams are given wings. An academy where Mrs. Maureen Wadia ensures that your journey is your reward. Watch out, the new star is born. Now, a reality series.